Alright guys, so we're going to leave right now. We're just waiting for a cab. It's not 8 o'clock as I expected. So it's going to be 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock right now. We're supposed to leave already. So yes. But don't worry. We'll be quick. And we'll see you at the airport. We're going to see some people, hopefully. Because I hope this vlog will change your mind of being a liar. Twice. Or let's go. We're at the airport right now. So we're gonna go get our tickets. And then we're going on the plane. Unless I'm really hungry, so. We're just going to check in. We're about to get to our gate. And wait to sit down and rest. I'm tired. Alright, so I got 2 cheeseburgers. It's mixed Sprite, not the Sprite cranberry. So yeah, we have an hour left, technically 30 minutes left, until we have to go to our flight. So it's fun, hanging out with friends, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're now on the airplane. We're ready for flight. Alright guys, so we're gonna get a car and we're gonna go drive. It's gonna take at least 2 hours. So, yeah, it's gonna be a night. I'm gonna stop recording for today. I'm gonna show some more clips. And I'll see you guys on day 1. It's 10:30. I think it's like 11 o'clock, I believe, right now. California time. So, I'll see you guys there. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It's day 1, so far, of California. As you can see, look at outside. It's not that good. So, yeah. So we're gonna be going skiing later. I'm gonna hang out with some other people for a while. We already ate breakfast, so I'm not gonna be vlogging that much. We're gonna go skiing later, and I hope it'll be good.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hey guys, so today is the final day. We're gonna be leaving in about a couple hours or so. I don't know. Today was fun. I'm really sorry I didn't do a lot of clips of me skiing that much, but it's okay. I'll see you guys in the airport.
Alright guys, so apparently I'm back. Went from California. It was fun. Very short, but just want to let you know that while I was there, I forgot to tell you, there was a shooter, and around our area, Tahoe Village was where we went. You can look it up right now. It was on Friday. It was Saturday. Yeah, it was on Saturday. Look that up. From last Saturday, I forgot what the date was. Look at that up. Shooter in Tahoe Village. Get over that stuff. We were right around there. Alright? But luckily for us, we were safe. And I wish a hero was here to save us. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, so today, we have is a Marvel Spider-Man, drone. Flies up to 15 feet. It's high, it's taller than me. Compatible with Heli Remote Helicopter, compatible with, Heli Remote, USB rechargeable cable included, This is for indoors as well, so that's good. And ages 10 and up. And this is a Spider-Man the powerful levitating hero. Actually, he swings. He doesn't yeah. Oh my god! And look at this. He's got freaking helicopter blade shoved up his head. That's bad. Let's read the back of the let's see. Powerful levitating hero. Control it with the palm of your hand. Hover above any surface. Chargeable, charge using USB. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery 3.7V. Whoa! I can use it with the palm of my hand with the Force?
Sir Palpatine, I heard there's a new device that you can control with the Force.
Excellent. Now I don't have to use my Force to choke people randomly and thunder shock everyone. Okay, what are you waiting for? Go get it right now. Oh, my back! Alright, I don't want to read that much of this stuff. It just tells you how to use it. So let's just get this open, shall we? Oh, good. Oh, I think I cut myself a little bit. Oh. You see that? I got cut. That was not from today. That was, I mean, it was from today. It doesn't matter. There you go. Looks pretty good. Are you okay, Spidey? I'm okay. Ask me. Alright. Yes! Look at this boa. Whoa! So how do you control this with the palm of your hand? I don't... Look what's in there. Look at this. See that? See that thing over there by his dick? Okay, so is this already on? Oh, look, his ass. Oh, Jesus! Whoa! I don't know what happened. Spider-Man, don't go!
Me of familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. All around me are familiar faces.
Oops. We gotta take this to the next level. Alright, this is really cool. We gotta use this with the palm of our hand. Let's hope this actually works. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're gonna see if this thing actually works. Send this thing on. Oh! Oh! It actually works! Spider-Man! Oh! No, no, no! Ah! Ah! Guys, this is revolutionary! Charlie, no! Charlie, it's just a toy! Come on. Absolutely revolutionary. I'm using the Force! Oh, I'm flying too high. Alright, let's, so that's it. There's Spidey. And I'll see you back in the room. So yeah, guys, there it was. Me and my sister played it for just a little bit more. This thing is a legend. Alright, so this is, here we have it. There is it. There it was. With the Spider-Man, what is this called? Spider-Man Powerful Levitating Hero. That was fun. It was pretty short, though, just gotta say. So, yeah, thank you guys. And looks like me and Spider-Man are gonna take the test and save our city from menacing evil. Let's go.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Spins a web any size, catches thieves, just like guys. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man. Is he strong? Listen, bud, he's got radioactive blood. Can you sense from the thread? Take a look overhead. Hey there goes the Spider-Man. In the chill of night, at the scene of a crime.
No! my hand.
Is he strong? Listen, bud. He's got radioactive blood. Can he swing from the thread? Take a look overhead. Hey there goes the fireman. In the chill of night, at the scene of a crime.
Huh. No wonder why it doesn't work. So it was indoor. How am I supposed to fight crime together? I'm not actually gonna break this because it's $5, and this is actually really good. All right, think about this. Come on, let's go inside.
Alec, aren't we supposed to still record?
No. Bye. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below for more videos and suggestions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.